Kevin is a young boy. He loves to travel. Kevin wants to see new places. One day, he decides to visit Mexico. He is very excited. Kevin packs his bag. He takes his clothes and camera. He says goodbye to his family. I will miss you, he says. Kevin goes to the airport. He has a ticket to Mexico. He waits for his flight. He feels happy and nervous. The plane arrives. Kevin finds his seat. He sits by the window. He looks outside. The plane takes off. Kevin watches the clouds. He smiles. The flight is long. Kevin reads a book. He listens to music. He eats a snack. After many hours, the plane lands. Kevin is in Mexico. He is so happy. He gets off the plane. He takes his bag. He goes to the hotel. The hotel is big and nice. Kevin checks in. He goes to his room. The room is clean and cozy. Kevin rests for a while. The next day, Kevin wakes up early. He wants to explore. He eats breakfast at the hotel. The food is delicious. Kevin tries new dishes. He loves the taste. After breakfast, Kevin goes outside. The weather is sunny and warm. Kevin feels great. Kevin decides to visit a market. The market is busy. There are many people. They sell many things. Kevin sees colorful clothes. He sees fruits and vegetables. He sees toys and souvenirs. Kevin buys a hat. The hat is bright and fun. He wears it. He feels happy. Kevin walks around the city. He sees old buildings. The buildings are beautiful. They have many colors. Kevin takes many pictures. He loves the city. Kevin sees a park. He goes inside. The park is green and peaceful. Kevin sits on a bench. He watches the birds. He feels calm. Kevin is hungry. He wants to eat. He sees a small restaurant. He goes inside. The restaurant smells good. Kevin orders tacos. The tacos are tasty. He enjoys his meal. Kevin talks to the waiter. The waiter is friendly. They laugh and smile. After lunch, Kevin visits a museum. The museum is interesting. Kevin sees old things. He learns about Mexico's history. Kevin likes the museum. He stays for a long time. Kevin takes more pictures. He wants to remember this day. In the evening, Kevin goes back to the hotel. He is tired but happy. He had a great day. Kevin writes in his journal. He writes about the market. He writes about the park. He writes about the museum. Kevin feels proud. He loves his adventure. The next morning, Kevin has a plan. He wants to see the beach. He takes a bus. The bus ride is long. Kevin looks out the window. He sees mountains and trees. He sees villages and farms. Kevin feels excited. Finally, the bus arrives at the beach. Kevin gets off the bus. He sees the ocean. The ocean is blue and big. Kevin takes off his shoes. He walks on the sand. The sand is soft and warm. Kevin smiles. He feels free. Kevin swims in the ocean. The water is cool. He feels refreshed. Kevin plays in the waves. He laughs and jumps. He has so much fun. Kevin makes new friends. They play together. They build sandcastles. They share stories. Kevin is happy. In the afternoon, Kevin eats lunch by the beach. He tries seafood. The seafood is fresh and yummy. Kevin enjoys his meal. He feels relaxed. After lunch, Kevin takes a walk. He finds seashells. He takes pictures. Kevin loves the beach. As the sun sets, Kevin watches the sky. The sky is orange and pink. It is very beautiful. Kevin feels peaceful. He sits on the sand. He thinks about his day. He feels grateful. Kevin loves Mexico. He loves the people. He loves the places. Kevin goes back to the hotel. He is tired but happy. He had another great day. Kevin writes in his journal. He writes about the beach. He writes about his new friends. He writes about the sunset. Kevin feels lucky. He loves his adventure. The next day, Kevin wants to explore more. He decides to visit a village. He takes a taxi. The taxi driver is nice. They talk and laugh. Kevin learns new words. He practices Spanish. The driver helps him. Kevin feels confident. The village is small and quiet. Kevin likes it. He walks around. He sees small houses. The houses are colorful. Kevin takes pictures. He sees a church. The church is old and beautiful. Kevin goes inside. He feels calm. Kevin meets a family. They invite him to their home. Kevin feels happy. He accepts the invitation. The family is kind. They cook dinner for Kevin. The food is delicious. Kevin enjoys the meal. They talk and laugh. Kevin learns about their life. He feels connected. After dinner, Kevin thanks the family. He feels grateful. He takes a picture with them. He wants to remember this moment. Kevin goes back to the hotel. He is tired but happy. He had a wonderful day. Kevin writes in his journal. He writes about the village. He writes about the family. He writes about the dinner. Kevin feels blessed. He loves his adventure. The next morning, Kevin has a plan. He wants to see a festival. He takes a bus. The bus ride is long. Kevin looks out the window. He sees fields and rivers. He sees animals and flowers. Kevin feels excited. Finally, the bus arrives at the festival. Kevin gets off the bus. He sees many people. The people are happy. They dance and sing. Kevin feels joyful. He joins the crowd. He dances with them. He sings with them. He feels free. Kevin sees a parade. The parade is colorful. There are big floats. There are dancers and musicians. Kevin takes many pictures. He loves the parade. He feels amazed. In the evening, there are fireworks. The fireworks are bright and loud. Kevin watches them. He feels happy. He thinks about his trip. He thinks about the people. He thinks about the places. Kevin feels grateful. He loves Mexico. He loves his adventure. Kevin goes back to the hotel. He is tired but happy. He had a fantastic day. Kevin writes in his journal. He writes about the festival. He writes about the parade. He writes about the fireworks. Kevin feels proud. He loves his adventure. The next day, Kevin feels sad. His trip is ending. He has to go home. Kevin packs his bag. He takes his clothes and camera. He says goodbye to the hotel. Thank you, he says. Kevin goes to the airport. He has a ticket home. He waits for his flight. He feels happy and sad. The plane arrives. Kevin finds his seat. He sits by the window. He looks outside. The plane takes off. Kevin watches the clouds. He smiles. The flight is long. Kevin reads a book. He listens to music. He eats a snack. After many hours, the plane lands. Kevin is home. He feels happy. He gets off the plane. He takes his bag. He goes to his house. The house is cozy and warm. Kevin's family is there. They are happy to see him. Kevin tells his family about his trip. He shows them his pictures. He talks about the market. He talks about the park. He talks about the museum. He talks about the beach. He talks about the village. He talks about the festival. Kevin's family is proud. They listen and smile. Kevin feels proud too. He had a great adventure. He learned new things. He met new people. He saw new places. Kevin loves his trip. He loves Mexico. He feels happy. Kevin thinks about his next adventure. He wants to see more places. He wants to meet more people. Kevin feels excited. He knows he will travel again. And so, Kevin's journey to Mexico ends. But his love for adventure will never end. He will always remember his trip. He will always remember the people. He will always remember the places. Kevin is a traveler. He is a dreamer. He is happy. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel for new English stories.